Hello. Hola, buenas tardes. We are here in Marty McGinnis's paper mache class. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
And your paper mache. Hello. Hi, Lily. Hi. Barbara. Let's see, who else do we have over here? Hey, look, there's David from Pátzcuaro.
Hey.
Hi. Yeah, so we're here in San Miguel at the Sindicato doing paper mache, the paper mache class with Marty McGinnis. And so here's Marty McGinnis.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Okay, so we've had some, with the paper mache classes, we have 2 classes, and we have been a little uncertain about what we want to call these classes, but now we've totally nailed it. And so Marty McGinnis is going to... We're going to tack in a Chicago accent because we're both from Chicago, okay?
Can't help it.
Okay, so Marty, this is the paper mache, what used to be formerly 1, but now we're just calling it paper mache, right?
Yeah.
So tell us what the difference is between the 2 classes.
All right. So basically, we have a traditional style of paper mache where you make your homemade adhesive using flour and cornstarch, water, and vinegar, and you layer up paper strips onto your armature. Here is an example of a completed piece using the paper and the adhesive technique. This one obviously has been painted already. And
So that's paper mache, a paper mache figure.
yes, this is a paper mache figure
Okay.
right here. And it was made using balled up newspaper masking tape to create an armature, some wire for the arms and the legs and the big old tail. And then I built it up using some more paper balls with the masking tape, and then I covered the whole thing with paper strips that I painted lightly with my fingers the adhesive onto, and then layered that up.
Okay, and so that's pretty much what a lot of these folks here today, we have a giraffe. A lot of these figures are out in the sun right now, drying. There's Barbara's bunny. We got Lori's elefante. We have, oh, maybe that's a mystery animal. Is it okay to say what yours is, Karen?
Sure.
Okay, we got Karen's burro, and then Victoria's deer, and we have a parrot coming to life over here. Super exciting. So then, so the other class would be the paper mache, well, it's called Plus, but we're calling it Plus because we're in Mexico. So, Marty, tell us about the paper mache Plus.
So the paper mache plus is basically you start out the same way you did with the paper mache regular. And
There we
then
go.
what we do after our first layers of paper and adhesive are all dry, we make a different kind of a paper mache substance, which is basically a paper pulp into which we mix gypsum powder and other adhesives, and we frost our armature with this substance, and you get a completely different texture. It might be a little hard to see on this video, but you end up with a very different texture and a more sturdy piece at the end.
And it's quite hard, too, from all that.
It's,
Yeah.
it becomes more, to me, it becomes more of a finished sculptural piece, and you can really take this into the world of fine art. Not that you can't your first style of paper mache, but it's a different, more permanent version. And you can get more details and finesse with it.
Yeah.
After we do the paper frosting, we can also mix more gypsum powder into our substance, our frosting, and turn it into what we call a paper clay. And it really does act like a clay at that point. And you can do small pieces, fine pieces. You can even make jewelry out of it. So
Well-
it's completely builds on your knowledge from your first.
Yeah, there's a 2.
And it you might be able to see
Paper mache figures and paper mache plus.
paper mache blues.
So this week in July here is our, it's the paper mache figures, and then we have a paper mache plus class coming up in August, and we hope to see all you folks in there,
Can we
okay?
just show them this?
Oh, yeah. So this is also from paper, oh, where's the camera? There we
There we go. This is another paper mache plus, and I just wanted you guys to see the finish. It's it's smoother, it's more professional looking, and it's hard as a rock.
Yeah. Where's the camera? There we go. Okay, come
Yay.
here, Marty.
Okay, hi.
Yeah, so you want to come learn paper mache with Marty because she'll show you
Yes,
the ropes
you
and this
do.
stuff.
You need to make one of me.
Yeah, so, okay, we'll see you in class, people, okay?
All
Thank
right.
you. Bye. Say bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye.
Thanks,